Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in or sign in into Lowe home improvement application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on what device you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Lowe home improvement and simply click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and now click on open. Now all you need to do is on this page right over here on the bottom, there's going to be a account tab. If you're not going to be on this page, you want to simply just select the store that is nearby you, and you're going to be on this page again. So click on this account tab right over here and click on sign in or create account. Now simply go ahead and enter your email, click on continue, and you will be logged in by asking you the password to your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.